Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this Apple ID has been not yet used in the iTunes and App Store. When you try to install in App Store your Apple ID, it asks whether this Apple ID has been not yet used in the iTunes and App Store. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, we try to sign in Apple ID. As you can see, here is the error. This Apple ID has been not yet used in the iTunes and App Store. So how to review it? First of all, tap on review. So as you can see, here is the country. You can select your country from here. So now tap on term and condition and toggle on, and now tap on next. So as you can see, you can update your payment method, debit and credit card. So you can select none and type here billing address. As a formality, you can type fake one. So here is the zip code. This is my zip code. You can search your on Google by your city name and now tap on next. As you can see, Apple ID has been completed. So tap on continue. As you can see, my Apple ID has been signed in the App Store. So now you can download any app from App Store. So if you have any problem, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.